so happy you joined me today because today I am taking you into my clothing closet. Okay, not really my closet, but I facilitate it, I run it, I manage it, I maintain it. It's mine. A clothing closet is a safe place, a comfortable place for parents of students that are needing clothing to come in and shop, all free of charge. Each student can choose up to 5 outfits, 5 tops, 5 bottoms, and a jacket. If needed, students can also take undergarments like socks or underwear, and if available, 1 pair of shoes. I open the closet monthly, so once a month towards the end of the month, I open it up to families. This is by referral only, meaning each campus gets to refer 2 families a month. The referrals come through the social workers at that campus, and the reason why I do this is so that I can spend some time with the families. I don't have the closet overcrowded. You'll see that it's not super huge, but it is efficient in getting clothing to the students in need. I help them search for sizes. I help them look for the right type of style for their students. So that's really fun. Okay, so let me walk you through the closet. This is the little greeting table. I do have a sign-in sheet because staff and social workers are allowed to shop for parents when the closet's not officially open. So they sign in here, and as you can see, the sign-in sheet is completely full. So I just have placed this spiral here to kind of document that. I do have the rules laid out here. When I'm not here, I do allow them to pick out 3 pants, 3 shirts, 3 outfits basically, so that we can make sure we have clothing for everyone that visits. A trash can over here, you need that. That's a must. Right in the middle, I do have some bags. Lots of bags, the bigger the better, because large families often visit and you want to make sure they're able to take everything that they need. I also have a radio. It's long days of sorting and doing all of that. So onto the closet. When parents walk in, they do see this denim wall. So this is specifically for jeans. I try to keep it at that. And on this side, I have the men's sizes. That's going to be men's large all the way down to the kids, the boys' sizes. And then on the other side, girls. So from littles all the way up to juniors to women's sizes on top. Over here, we do have a mirror when a student can visit the closet. On this side, and excuse the mess, it is a mess in here, but the students or the parents can choose out a backpack that looks appropriate for them, something they would utilize and wear. There's lots of different donations in here. This one is a little worn, I can tell, but it's popular, so I think some students might really be interested in it. And if not, if it stays after a while, like anything else, I just donate it to Goodwill. So moving on to the rest of the closet, I'm going to go aisle by aisle here and just show you how I've sorted everything. So the first aisle here is women's clothing. This is going to be older middle school, juniors to about high school, even adult clothing for parents. If they're needing that, we do offer that. So it goes from small, medium, large, and extra large. This second aisle over here, so on the other side of the women's, is the girls' clothing. And then the boys is right across. I lay out the shoes that have been donated, and parents and students are able to choose from those. If they fit, they can take them. We do not have that many shoes though, so that's a little unfortunate. And then the last aisle right over towards the back of the closet is men's. So this is again middle school, like older middle school men's, small all the way to adult men's, extra large towards the back. And on these little label plates, I keep them together with the huge paper binder clips, and it's just back and forth. Men's clothing on one, boys on the other. Back here are the undergarments, adults, and then children's. We do donation drives by campus to fill those up, so obviously I need to hold a drive for that. And then on the other side over here, this is just where I sort the incoming donations. I have lots of hangers, and you need a lot of hangers when you start up a clothing closet. This is where the new donations come in. I kind of placed a big bin here so that the donations can go right in there whenever staff does bring by donations, and we accept donations from staff and schools. Here's another donation box that was left, so I'm going to have to sort through that. I have been blessed to have a constant flow of donations. I sort through donations twice a month. Anything trendy, school appropriate, and like new stays. Everything else goes. I send it to Goodwill, we make a donation. Today, I'm working alone, which makes me appreciate the volunteers that help me maintain such a needed resource for the students. I've had the grandparents group help me. I've also had social work interns assist in the closet, as well as students, high school students that are looking for community service hours. More recently, I've had some help from the special needs campus that I work at for job skills training. We have the students come in, sort clothing, hang clothing, sort through hangers. It's good all the way around. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole entire closet. It definitely takes some time and patience, but being able to provide a school week's worth of clothing to a student in need is worth every effort. If you work for an agency or a school district that may benefit from this type of resource, I urge you to start a clothing closet. It can start small. Open it up to staff only, like the social workers or the counselors, to shop it for the students that they have in mind. And as you get more inventory, then you can open it up to the families and the parents. And your donations will definitely grow. Every single family that I've had come utilize the closet during their time of need has asked and even brought donations of their own to give back. They realize how much it's needed. If you found me by accident, I am a practicing school social worker. I have my clinical license as well, and I make videos for new and aspiring social workers. So drop any questions below and I will be sure to answer them. And click the bell to get notifications. New content is going to be on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Till next time, I'm wishing you social work success.